being fit, because a healthy body has a healthy mind housed in it. And we strongly feel importance of these words heard umpteen number of times by our parents and teachers we were young. I am addressing this to parents. Our children are in the tender formative years still. To inculcate the importance of games, outdoor activities and physical workouts, we organize annual day with the super enthusiastic set of children who always look forward to it with the same eagerness. So here we are celebrating our third annual function, and we are proud to continue by the legacy of celebrating this wonderful day with you. We hope, and I want to welcome our honorable chief guest Mr. Singh, our program president Mr. Haji Ahmad Babu. He is the secretary of our school, and I want to welcome our president Mr. Abdul Qadir Sahab, our honorable guest Mr. Maulana Abdul Mateen Sahab, and our guest Mr. Wahidullah Khan. Now I am going to start. We hope you will enjoy it as much as we did while the children practiced each performance till they found perfection. That is the one quality one needs to inculcate within oneself. Is success is not just desire but passion. And through this activity, we instill in our children this virtue that they successfully apply in their academics too and excel in their subjects. Where there are academic subjects that are important for the children to read and learn to enhance their knowledge and do justice to their brain and memory. There are activities related to co-curricular subjects that give children pleasure, precision and persistence to do more, take more and achieve more. All the children have some inborn talent, some in science, some have in history, and others may be good at sports, crooning, but presenting these talent on stage builds confidence, courage and gratitude to win. On this day, schoolers have participated to put together an extraordinary show for all of us to enjoy. The children are performing various activities like drama based on stories, poetry recitation, singing, Hindi classical as well as English song conducted purely by children, and many more such activities. Our children have been preparing for this day for over a month now. They have been juggling between classes and preparation just like a juggler. It was ensured that no studies be compromised and no classes be missed by the children. I thank all parents for helping us and supporting us all the time. Without your support in sending extra tiffin for the children, helping them with their dresses and costumes, with their assessing and last minute help with makeup, it was not possible. Most importantly, I want to thank you all for being such a great help in supporting the children at home to finish their homework and complete their classwork in case they missed anything. Despite of your workload that you have at home or at work, you have been truly supportive. Parents, whether homemakers or professionals, have a very busy schedule too, and we respect each one of you to take out time and do it all. This truly means a lot to us, and we are grateful. Parents and teachers are together in this endeavor, and we work hand in hand to do that is best to bring up fine, healthy citizens of our country. I am reminded of a poem that I read long time ago. Whose child is it anyway? And the end of the poem touched upon the fact that without each other, support upbringing of our children will be incomplete. For whole 14 years, the child's day is divided between being at home, at school. Both home and school must have an environment that provides the children an opportunity to nurture their qualities and talents to be able to become holistically groomed human beings, true assets of nature and Mother Earth. I cannot end without adding a vote of thanks to all the teachers who have burned the candle at both the ends and brought this fabulous event together for us all. Huge thanks to all the helpers who have been running around to get the little and huge thing moving. And in the end, I thank our chief guest and guest of honor who has been kind on us to have taken his precious time to grace this occasion. A huge round of applause for us all and a hurrah for all the effort. I will not keep you waiting and leave the stage that will soon be filled with colors and exuberance to fill us up with laughter and happiness. Thank you.